Hi everybody, we will talk today about the medicine and pharmacology in space. First of all, I am محمد, studying at the University of Mosul, College of Pharmacy. I hope you will enjoy this topic, inshallah. We have four main contents for our topic today. We're going to start with what is aerospace medicine. Then we're going to talk about the relationship between space and pharmacology. The third one, can the medicine be sent to the space? And last but not least, we're going to talk about some of treatment techniques in the space. Before we start, I liked to share this quote with you, which is, but there's always a first time for everything. And this is my first time recording this topic, this seminar, and speaking English or whole topic, inshallah. So I hope you enjoy, inshallah. Firstly, what is aerospace medicine? Aerospace medicine is the practice of medicine on astronauts in outer space, while astronomical hygiene is the application of science and technology to prevent or control exposure to hazards that may cause astronauts to ill. These two sciences work together to ensure astronauts work in a safe environment. Okay, about the main benefit or the main goal from studying that: for how long people survive the harsh conditions in space and how quickly they can adapt to the Earth's environment after returning from their journey. It is really disturbing for the astronaut to be exposed to diseases in space, such as colds, heart problems, etc. This is what happened with Walter Shearer when he contracted a severe cold that spread and infected the rest of the crew. The astronaut James Grown also showed symptoms of heart problems during his walk on the surface of the moon. These disturbances raised the concern of the doctors at the observation centers and on Earth, as one of them commented on this, saying, if James had not been in space, he would have been in the intensive care unit now. So you see how much that dangerous in him in that way. Secondly, the presence of these diseases has become to provide the International Space Station with appropriate medicines is no less important than anything else. For example, we're gonna talk now about the relationship between space and pharmacology. At all, then we're gonna talk briefly, inshallah. For example, some of the medicine that have already been sent into space and that are in the medical bag on board the International Space Station, antibiotics like amoxicillin, azithromycin, antiviral like you see right now, the cardiac drugs and others. The preparation of medicines sent to space is also a real challenge, because space travel has a harsh effect on the human body, hence the idea of establishing a NASA pharmacy. Can the medicine be sent to the space? Maybe, maybe not, we're gonna see. The preparation of medicines sent to space is also a real challenge, because space travel has a harsh effect on the human body. Hence the idea of establishing a NASA pharmacy, as we mentioned before. The investigation by a number of experts found that some astronauts could be put at risk due to the conditions of medicines in space, as this could be a big problem for astronauts on longer space flights, such as the trip to Mars. In addition, it is worth noting that the pharmacy is packed in pressure sets during the mission trip and not in the manufacturer's packaging. As we said, and this would be the answer about our question about the title of the third content, which is, can the medicine be sent to the space? This question, the answer would be about it is no, because the reason for this is the conditions that must be taken into account when producing the final pharmaceutical form of the drug. In addition to the great innovation in packaging. Currently, the pharmacy laboratory of the Johnson Space Center is responsible for preparing the medicines contained in the medical bag aboard the International Space Station, and then packaging them in a different way from what is present on Earth. This ensures that the drug reaches the International Space Station without causing any damage or sabotage to the active substances as a result of shipping conditions into outer space. Last but not least, some of treatment techniques in the space. The astronauts helped develop unimaginable technologies to treat diseases, in addition to conducting experiments and research, preparing and sending reports. And some of the treatment techniques that the astronauts helped achieve are robots that remove tumors from the brain and helping asthma patients. As scientists at the European Space Agency created a machine that measures the concentration of nitrogen monoxide in exhaled gas. Also maintaining bone strength, making dental braces transparent, and measuring body temperature. What happened in 1991? Actually, we can say that maintaining, as we mentioned, that maintaining bone strength, making dental braces transparent, and measuring body temperature. Infrared radiation was developed decades ago in one of the NASA laboratories, and in 1991 this technology was used in thermometer that is placed in the air. This is just a small part of the benefits that have been gained from the many studies and research conducted on the International Space Station during its orbit around the Earth, where there is zero gravity for human health and benefit from it, whether for astronauts during their flights in space or for human health on Earth. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed that interesting topic, to be honest. I found it interesting. How about you? I don't know. All the best, inshallah, and thank you again.